In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to offer a product waitlist on Podia. If you're looking to build anticipation for a new product, or simply want to gauge interest before launching, setting up a waitlist can be an incredibly effective strategy. It's a great way to collect potential customers' information and notify them once the product is available. So let's dive into the steps to set this up on your Podia platform. First, you'll want to navigate to your Podia dashboard. This is your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your online store. Once you're there, direct your attention to the left sidebar where you'll see a menu listing various options. Click on the section labeled Products. This will take you to a page displaying all the products you currently have listed or in development. Next, you'll need to select the specific product that you want to create a waitlist for. Click on the product name and this will bring you to the product's detailed page. Here, you'll find all the settings and options related to that individual product. Now, look towards the top right corner of the page and find the Edit button. Click on it, which will allow you to make changes to your product settings. After clicking Edit, you'll notice a few different tabs. What you want to do next is click on Pricing. This section is crucial because it's where you'll manage how your product is offered to your customers. Within the Pricing tab, look for the Offer option. Click on it and you'll see various settings related to how you want to present your product. From here, you can choose the Waitlist option. This is where you enable the waitlist feature, allowing interested customers to sign up to be notified when the product becomes available. Finally, don't forget the most important step: hit Save. This ensures all of your changes are applied and your product waitlist is activated. Saving your work is crucial as it prevents any accidental loss of your settings. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a product waitlist on Podia. This feature not only helps in managing customer expectations, but also builds excitement and potential demand for your upcoming release. Remember, a well-placed waitlist can be a powerful tool to gauge market interest and better prepare your launch strategy. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful in getting your product waitlist up and running on Podia.